This is the regulator which is inside the Taipan slash. Now I will show you how you can disassemble it, how you can control what is inside and assemble it. I don't recommend to do it if you haven't any troubles, because it's not necessary. But if you have some leaking problems or some troubles, so the best way how to solve it is to clean inside the regulator. It is possible there will be some small dust or something, and that is why there can be a small leaking. So at first you can use the special tool which is inside each package. Hold the regulator and you can open it on the beginning with the special tool and then by the hands. So it's no problem. Now it's open. You can see there is a special steel plates. So you can use this special, not special, but without the teeth, and take it out. If you will put inside, so I will leave in the video, or I will show you on the video the scheme how the plates must be, I mean in which shape there must be. So this is the one side of the regulator. Don't forget that also sometimes the plates are inside the cup. But now we will close it. But usually the main problem is from the other side. So you can use standard key and open it. So here, please step by step and very slow, because inside is a spring. Then there is a special plastic part which must be clean, and inside it is a small ball, so you can clean it all. Then at first is a small ball, then is this plastic part, then it is the spring, and on the top you must close it with this iron part. So if you open it somehow or with some purpose because you have some leaking, so please do it very carefully. You must clean it. Inside the regulator there cannot be any dust. That's why I don't recommend to open this regulator just for looking. If you haven't any trouble, don't open it, because you can thinking that there isn't any dust, but it will be there and you will have a leaking problems. So that's why be careful. This is our regulator. For sure, everywhere where you have the rubber O-rings, please during the assembling put on it Vaseline, some type of Vaseline. So if you have any other questions, please leave the comments under the video and we will answer on them.